In this video, I'll review Facebook campaign budget optimization and why you need to know about it. So Facebook campaign budget optimization is a new method that Facebook brought in September last year, 2019, to set the budgets for your Facebook ads. Now, this is because they're moving away from setting campaign budgets on the ad set level, which is what you would have previously done. Or if you're brand new to Facebook ads, it's what generally was the best way to set your budgets. So they're moving to setting your ad budget on the campaign level rather than setting it on the ad set level. Now, Facebook are migrating to this new budgeting method this year in 2020, and it'll become mandatory. So you're going to have to start using campaign budget optimization if you're going to want to run Facebook ads in the future. So in this video, I'll show you what it is and how you can use it. And well, let's get straight into it. So we're here right at the start of creating a new Facebook ad. So we'll just select engagement as the campaign type. So this is currently on the campaign level of creating a new Facebook ad, and this is where you'll set the budget. So scroll down a little bit, and now you'll see campaign budget optimization. So this is now where Facebook wants people to start setting their budgets rather than on the ad set level. Now, yours may be turned off because it's not mandatory yet. That'll be, I think it's in September this year it becomes mandatory. But you can turn it off and you still can use the ad set level at the moment. Maybe if you've created a brand new Facebook ads account, you might have to use it, but I think they're slowly moving over to it. So people who have had accounts for a while, I think, can choose to use it or not, like you can see I can. Anyway, to use it, make sure it's turned on. Just like on the ad set level, you can still choose a lifetime budget or daily budget and set that here. Now, for those who are not sure what setting the budget on the ad set level is like, I'll quickly show you. So previously you would not set the budget on the campaign level, you would hit continue. And now we're on the ad set level. So this is where we set up the demographics, the targeting, so your country targeting, genders, interest targeting, placements, and down here is budget and schedule. So here you can see, similar to on the campaign level, again, you can set a daily or lifetime budget. But this is what Facebook wants to get away from. So the way it will work, and we'll just go back to the campaign level, the way it works is by setting the budget on the campaign level, you can still set up as many ad sets as you want. But what Facebook will do automatically is start providing budget to your ad sets, and Facebook's very smart, so it'll see which ad sets are performing better and it will start pushing more budget to the ad sets that are performing better automatically. So it means you might have two ad sets running, for example, under the one campaign, and after a week of running these ads, you might find one ad set has spent, say, for example, $20, and another ad set has spent $60. And that would have been done automatically by Facebook. And that would be because, depending on your objective, Facebook has identified the ad set that spent $60 as the ad set that will get you more results. So that's the way Facebook want to do it now. You can still create as many ad sets as you want, and Facebook is automatically basically going to push your ads to that ad set that performs the best, which is good for you because it's going to reduce wastage and ad spend on ads that aren't performing well. Now, there's a page here. Facebook has some information on the campaign budget optimization, and I'll put a link to this page in the description so you can have a read of it as well and become more familiar with it. If you have any questions about campaign budget optimization, put it in the comments. and I'm very happy to answer any questions you might have. I hope this has been useful for you in getting more familiar with campaign budget optimization. Make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe. There's going to be plenty more content coming on social media ads. So if you're really into your social media marketing, or maybe you're a beginner, this channel is the perfect place for you. We'll see you in the next video.